Google Business Profile Tips, part number 1. Hi everyone, Coach Kherk is here. Tips to strengthen your Google Business Profile. Number 1, fill out every section of your profile in detail. Having a complete profile helps you rank higher in local search results and increase customer actions. Maintain consistency with your contact information across the web. Make sure your contact information matches what's already out there for your business. Add photos regularly. Visual helps strengthen your Google Business Profile. Providing photos and videos will help in that decision-making process. It also makes it easier to purchase your products and services confidently. Remember guys, the more pictures and videos you provide on your profile, the more visual cues they have to make a decision. Next, maintain your business profile with solid Google My Business strategy. Update information even as minor as change in suit number. Publish posts and upload photos each week. Keep a steady stream of reviews coming in. Okay? And monitor and respond to reviews and stay on top of new features to ensure you're using your profile to its fullest potential. And be meticulous with contact information. Make sure your business name is identical to the one you use on your store signage. Ensure that your business name and address match your listing across the web and indicate both your regular and holiday hours. That's all we have for today, and stay tuned for more Google My Business Profile tips. Thank you for watching. To learn more, you can go to KherkRoldanSU.com. See you there.